Welcome to GCCars. My name is Eric, and today we're going to take a city POV test drive in this 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit Reserve. That's the top trim of the two-row version of the Jeep Grand Cherokee. And yeah, this POV test drive, we're just going to go for a relaxed little drive and see how well this Jeep drives in a little bit more of stop and go situations and slower speed scenarios. But before let's get driving, just want to take a quick look at the interior here, as we always do in the city POV test drive. Let's start off with a look at the trunk, and of course plenty of space here in the back, 37.7 cubic feet if I remember correctly. And we do have, that's down here, this one, nice little Easter egg. So first of all, I don't know if it's visible for you, it might be super hard to see. There's a Willys Jeep, and on the other side we have all generations, super hard to see probably, of Grand Cherokees. Pretty cool. Anyhow, the rear seats are also very comfy. Of course, we have the huge moonroof or sunroof, and we have integrated sunshades if you would like, and it's very nice. But let's go driving. If you want to hear all my thoughts, by the way, make sure to click in the top right hand corner right now for my full review, where we talk about the interior, the exterior, and we compare it, of course, to the competition and all that, and drive it plenty. But these POV test drives aren't meant to give you like too much of an opinion. It's more for yourself to have the chance to see and hear it is to drive. But like I said, full review is there if you want to hear my personal thoughts. If this is worth the $86,000 Canadian Jeep wants for this. Turn her on. Oh, this one. There we go. Okay. Let's turn on the massaging seats to low extent and turn this down a little, and a lower level of ventilated seats. And with that being said, let's go drive. Of course, we have our digital review mirror as well. Take a quick look at the Uconnect 5 infotainment here. See, we have off-road modes, we have all the good stuff, we have more apps if you want. You can connect it to your Alexa. We have specific off-road pages if you really want to go off-roading in this. As you can see, we have transfer case, rear axle lockers, all that. Plenty of features here. And of course, we have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay in wireless configurations. can enable the thermal camera, although I don't think it's going to work particularly well right now. Yes, because it's a warm summer day. So humans, like this lady on the right hand side, are literally colder than the environment. So yeah, they're just gonna blend in. We will be able to see cars though, and rooftops, because they heat up. But still kind of neat to be able to enable it during the day, especially in the winter. It'll be useful. Just in the summer day, be careful that you will not see anything during the day in most situations. Definitely got it a little deeper into these suburbs than I thought. But that's fun. Okay, but that will conclude our POV test drive here in the 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Let's turn her off and take another quick peek at the outside. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope I gave you a better impression of how it is to drive this Jeep Grand Cherokee doing kind of like slower speed city scenarios. And if you really like to, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my weekly videos about all sorts of cars. And for all my thoughts on this Jeep Grand Cherokee, make sure to check out the review on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked and I hope I'll see you next one. Thank you and goodbye.